My name is Chelsea. I get to New College Worcester and my eye condition is optic atrophy, which means my optic nerves don't work very well. When I was at primary and I did a trial with SuperNova, I loved it so much. It was so easy to use, and now that I still use it, I'm able to do all my schoolwork on it. Mainly English, geography and maths. I found that so much more easy being able to do my homework. I was able to go on the internet, I'm able to send emails. I can just do so much more using SuperNova. I use the mouse pointer, so I have a dark blue mouse so I can see it better. I use the inverted colours, so if my eyes are on a bad day and don't like the light, I can see it because I can make it darker. And I also use a lot of magnification. I was on a number 8 with my magnification. As I've got into secondary, my eyes have got worse, so now I'm a 16. I use the speech when I've got something really long to read, or if my eyes aren't working as good that day, I don't have to then strain my eyes to read it.
Also, I am excited to go and see my buddy dog Zach.
So when I'm in class doing SuperNova, I can keep up with everyone else. I'm not delayed and behind. I was able to work the exact same as all my classmates. I was no different. I will definitely keep using SuperNova. It's such a big help.
Try SuperNova free for 30 days from yourdolphin.com/supernova.